Lake Burera. This dramatic body of water easily gets ignored in the multitude of lakes that dominate the Gorilla Highlands region. It's almost embarrassing how much Mother Nature has gifted us with. From Uganda's iconic Lake Bunyonyi to the crater lake on Rwanda's Mount Bisoke, across the sea-like Lake Kivu to the lava lake on Congo's Mount Nyiragongo. As a proud citizen of Rwanda's northern province, I have to praise the most beautiful lake of my backyard, Lake Burera. But because I'm also a journalist, I'm sending a British travel blogger known as Charlotte the Muzungu to independently evaluate my lake's top 5. She has come to Musanze to help me train our partners in how to best use social media for tourism businesses. My second source will be John Baptiste Bizimana, a middle-class Rwandan who cooks at the Kigali Marriott Hotel and has seen a bit of his country. John Baptiste, Charlotte, and other Gorilla Highlands Silver Chef participants have been taken to Lake Burera for a Sunday trip. It is no coincidence that we call the walking tour on the lake Fisherman's Fortune. We are lucky we have these guys because they make a very special lunch for our visitors and even let them experience a night fishing session on the lake. Birwal is an island with a primary school and nicely priced traditional crafts produced by the welcoming islanders. You can also encounter cultural surprises such as banana beer making. Cheers. It takes a proper climb to make it to the top of Birwal, but it will be worth it. Trust me, I've survived it myself. Cyuza Island is a backpacker paradise with camping and kayaking and the perfect place to have a drink while staring at the awesome Virunga volcanoes. Want to see where legendary King Ruganzu walked on water, left his footprint and played table games? Take our boat to Mount Mweru in the north of Lake Burera and you will get fantastic views included. Lake Burera belongs to the 3 sets of twin lakes in the Gorilla Highlands region. There's the Lake Mutanda plus Lake Morehe combination, Lake Chahafi with Lake Kayumbu, and most interestingly, Lake Burera twinned with Lake Ruhondo. The last two have enough altitude difference that electricity is generated in between. Look at John Baptiste and Charlotte in the group. Time to hear from them.
It was my first time to be on Iceland and it was amazing to travel in a boat. Learn how to make a banana beer and eat lunch with a fisherman. I wish to come again and thank you so much.
I thought maybe I've done all this before, I've done lakes, I've done volcanoes and so on, but this was a nice mixture of a bit of a hike and a boat ride and with a really interesting group of people as well, and we all loved the experience together. I really enjoyed watching the banana beer being made, plus we got to try it, so yeah, a really lovely experience. Fisherman's Fortune, look it up, book it through Gorilla Highlands.